Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer ERC20 tokens to Trezor. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, first what you need to do is ERC tokens are built on Ethereum blockchain and how to manage them inside of Trezor. So to transfer ERC20 tokens to your Trezor, you need to an Ethereum address generated by your Trezor. So to do this, what you need to do is use the Trezor suite application. You can find it available on the official Trezor website and download it on your PC. So the first step is going to be to connect your Trezor device to your PC with the provided USB cable. Once it is properly connected and detected, unlock it using your PIN and open Trezor suite. You should see the specific model that you have for the Trezor hardware wallet, and you can click the plus sign at the left side of the screen next to the search. Now by clicking this plus sign, you can now generate a new address in there. Choose Ethereum. By choosing Ethereum as the specific asset, you can now select sending or receiving that asset. Choose receive and the address will be generated on the screen. Now you can copy this address and input it into the platform where you want to transfer your ERC20 tokens from. So access the platform where you hold your ERC20 tokens. Choose the specific token that you would like to transfer and initiate a withdraw or send transaction. This process is going to differ for every single wallet. Now what you need to do is you'll find the send or withdraw option. Choose that, and then what you need to do is paste the receiving address that you acquired from your Trezor wallet to receive Ethereum. Now double check everything for accuracy. Enter the amount of tokens that you would like to transfer and then confirm the transactions. Be aware of any network fees, and you can send a small amount to first confirm that everything works afterwards. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.